Hey friends, if you encounter video playback issues on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now we will stick to two solutions only because the issue can either be with the graphics card drivers on the system or the media player that you're using. Anything else is related to the hardware, not the software of the computer. So the first solution will be to update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. Right click on the second one, Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. The next solution is to use VLC. It's a free software. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for VLC in the search bar. Okay, click on VLC here and then click on install, and then install VLC and open VLC and open any file that you wish to play through VLC itself. Okay, I can scroll to the file and then I can click on it and then I can open it through VLC. I will pause it, but this is how you can do the job. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.